Hello, second grade. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far, and I hope you're ready to start on some math right now. So we have been talking about parallel lines and line segments. So if you remember when we did this in class, and I wrote the word parallel up on the board, okay, those two L's, in the word parallel remind you of what parallel lines are, okay? And I have an example of parallel lines right here. We know that parallel lines never meet and they always stay the same distance apart. So I'm gonna walk you around and we're gonna try and find some parallel lines. Okay, the trim on both sides of the door, those are parallel because they do not touch. The handles on my fridge are parallel because they do not touch. The wood on the chair, that's parallel, it doesn't touch. There's one animal. And there's another animal eating their food. Okay. My microwave, the lines on either side of the microwave, the trim, those are parallel. My water bottle and the Lysol can, I mean, those aren't lines, but they're parallel because they don't touch. Okay, what about the wood on the doorways? Yeah, those are parallel. Over here as well. Right there, parallel lines. Okay. Oh, right here. These are parallel. Either side. Can't really see in here. There we go. Either side of my little wall hanging, that's parallel. Okay, so I'm sure that if you looked around your house right now, you would be able to find plenty of different examples of parallel lines. All right. So now I want to make, let's see, a line segment that touches on my geoboard. And we've talked about this before, so you should know the name of this. This is called a perpendicular line segment, okay? This point right here is where they meet. This is where they intersect, okay? Mathematicians call this the intersection. So, like when two streets meet, they meet at an intersection. They have an intersection. That's why we say that, because they are meeting like this. All right, so here are some different examples of intersecting line segments. Okay, they all meet at a point somewhere. So one way to tell if a line segment is perpendicular or not is if you can put a piece of paper in one of the corners and it has a right angle and it fits, that's perpendicular. So that's perpendicular. That one's perpendicular. That's perpendicular. That's perpendicular. And this one is perpendicular. Okay, so we can check perpendicular lines. Hey. We can check perpendicular line segments by putting a paper in the corner and making sure it has a right angle. So if we were in the classroom right now, you guys would each have a geoboard and we would be making perpendicular line segments. But so this video doesn't go on forever. I already made some perpendicular line segments for you to complete on your lesson worksheet 118. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and draw these perpendicular line segments on 1, 2, and 3 of your lesson worksheet. Okay, go ahead and pause the video right now and draw those in. All right, you should be done drawing 1, 2, and 3, and I left 4 blank for a reason. I want you to either look around your house and see if you can find your own example of a perpendicular line segment, or make one yourself. But remember, to check a perpendicular line segment, it has to have a right angle, so you need to check it with the corner of a piece of paper. Okay, so that is our lesson for today. There was a part on your homework 118B that I wanted to talk to you about. Okay, number 3, we haven't gone over this yet. How many small squares are in this large square? So we're trying to find the area of this square. So what we need to do is we need to count all of these small squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the area equals 9 square units. And then it asks you to color one square. So I went ahead and did that, and you can color whichever square you would like to. And then the last question asks you, what fractional part of the large square is colored? So 1 is colored, and there were 9 squares all together. So 1/9, or 1 out of 9. Okay, I wanted to make sure that I explained that to you because we have not gone over that yet. So if you need to go ahead and pause the video and finish that, go ahead. But good luck on your math today, 2nd grade. Have a wonderful day, and let me know if you have any questions. See you later.